before. So there's a clip here. You press that clip in, and then you can go, it'll slide right down. And after you get that out, you're gonna twist this either left or right. So here it goes. So this is the OEM that came with this car. What year is this car again? This is a what?
2012.
A 2012 Toyota
Sienna.
So this is from Nove's site. They're on Amazon as well. Or you can go straight to their website. You can just Google Nove's site, or I'll have a link in the description below. So let's see what we got here. All right. LED light bulbs. So we should see a good difference between the halogen and an LED. LEDs actually last longer than HIDs, and they take less power. So this one comes in the package here, and so this is the converter. You would plug in the current plug into this plug, and then you just screw this in that area you saw me take out the other one. So let's go try it right now. We take this part here. This is for the low beam, and you just fish it in here, kind of twist it to the right.
Let me see what's going on.
All right, so now it's locked. You turn it till it locks, and then the other thing you do is connect this into here. Alrighty, so let's see the difference. All right, you guys can see a difference, a big difference. That's the old one, that's the new one. Big difference. Now let's look at the high beams. All right, so you see major difference. High beam with the OEM setup. Alrighty, cool. So come over here. So on this high beam section, you have to press towards the bottom here so the latch can get released. So you press that. I'm gonna press it with this because it's harder with that other finger. You press that and then push down. All right, so this side here is your low beam. This is the high beam, and you can tell by looking at the size of the grooves here the size of the prongs that will go inside of the groove. So if you see yourself fighting, struggling to get it in, it's probably because you have the wrong bulb going inside the wrong socket. And then when you take off the high beam, all you have to do is bring this towards the center of the engine. You twist it, see, and then it'll pull right out. Old light bulb. And then when you go to put the high beam in, you just slide it in and then turn it the opposite direction. So you put that in, and you just take this, and unfortunately you got to make sure you put it the right way. It can go in either way and it won't turn on, so you got to try both ways. So I was trying that way, and now he's gonna go ahead and turn it on. It didn't work when we put the high beam on, so that means it's reversed. So remember that. You want to make sure, remember you got to press this to unlock it, because it can go in both ways. So you put it this way. Now go ahead, turn it on. Now he's gonna go ahead and turn it on, and the high beam should come on. All right, there we go. Voila. All right, so now we're gonna go for the low beam. So same situation. You need to press this to unlock, and then you can press down. Pretty simple. When you take the bulb out, switch it, turn it towards the engine, comes out that simple. And you go to put the new LEDs in. You do the reverse of what you just done when you took it out. So it may take a little bit prying to get it in. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, see, now it locked. So I turn it down and it locked. You're gonna go ahead and take this here, and now we need to put it in and then go turn the lights on to make sure we put it the right way, because it can go in either way. So now he's gonna make sure, go ahead, turn it on, see if it comes on. All right, we got it in the first try. All right, so I don't really suggest this as a long-term solution. This is a quickie solution. I don't have what I normally do to get this clean and last for about a year. But if you want to do a real quickie one, you can spray some WD-40 on there, get closer so they can kind of see. Then I'm gonna record it after. You can record after. See how messed up it is? All right, so back up. Some WD-40 on there. Put that. All right, so let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Yeah, we can see a difference.
Yeah.
Yep. Put the high beams on. Boom. All right, so you guys want some of this stuff? Look at the link in the description below. Look at the link. Go ahead and click on it and get your lights for your car.